As bandwidth demand continues to grow, consumers want access to huge amounts of data anywhere they go. One of the major players dealing with this challenge is Corning Optical Communications. And here at ANGA I'm talking to Vanesa Diaz. Vanessa, how on earth do we cope with this demand?
Well, it's a very difficult task because we have had the difficult challenge so far of delivering high-speed data. And as you said, now the added challenge here is to deliver that data everywhere. So this has been ongoing particularly since 2004. Before the introduction of smartphones, it was just MSOs and carrier operators fighting, right, to deliver in the fixed world these high data rates. In 2004, smartphones come on board, and now we have to add mobility to the mix. It's difficult, but it's doable. And especially, we do have to look at this right now with 5G in the horizon, because it's becoming more and more critical to be part of that mobile world as well.
Yeah, I mean, what needs to be done to the infrastructure to enable 5G to achieve its sort of true potential?
Right, 5G is of course going to happen at many levels, from the application to the software to the very bottom, the infrastructure, where the magic happens, as I like to say. Fundamentally, 5G is about new antennas that are going to be placed in different parts of the environment. We need to ensure that there are enough of them to offer enough coverage, and also there are enough as well to deliver the super high data rates that 5G is promising. At the end, we're talking about antennas, but behind those antennas what we have is fiber, cable, copper. It's just tangible things. So we need to make sure that those links are there and ready for those antennas.
What about the MSOs themselves? What do they need to do to prepare?
They've been doing fantastically so far. So they've been preparing with introducing new software like DOCSIS 3.1, using remote feed technologies. They are also deploying fiber deeper and deeper in their networks, in their HFC networks. This is where the key of the story is, because at the end, what operators, MSOs want to do is to be able to not only connect their broadband customers, ideally they would like to be part of this mobile business. So if you can somehow prepare in your next upgrade cycle of your HFC network to have enough fiber to also connect these sites, it's a win-win situation. There are many things that they can actually use to be able to deliver that. The technology that we are working on, all the fiber manufacturers across the world, is humble, but it's quite outstanding. So you can use, for example, ribbon cables that will allow you to have a lot more fibers than in a standard loose tube cable. You could also benefit from having WDM technologies placed in different parts of your network, so you have closures ready to accommodate those WDM technologies to connect those cells. So we are very looking forward to continue having these conversations, because we are the first ones here, who want to help MSOs to identify what's the best way to upgrade their networks and be prepared for 5G.
Vanessa, thank you very much for talking to us.
Thank you for your time and the opportunity to talk.
So Corning preparing MSOs worldwide for the 5G charge that's about to hit the market.